Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create typography effect in Photoshop. One of my Pinterest follower Laura said to me my short video is just too fast, even on the YouTube link also. So, this video for her and others who wants to know how to create typography effect. Let's start the video. Select Text tool. Change text size as per your requirements. Resize your text size. Right-click on text layer and select Convert to Shape. Now, select Layer and modify your converted text letters as per you wants. Follow the same process for this text layer also. Duplicate these layers. This group is text outline. Double-click on layer, apply stroke. Follow the process. Duplicate image. This group is text. Press Alt key and mask image to below layer. Double-click on layer and change layer styles drop shadow. Follow the process. Create new solid layer below image. Color to black. Follow the process. This is the final result and thanks for watching.